17 related should be there in the denominator. 17 related should be there in the denominator. 17 related should be there in the denominator. Just if the answer options are stupid, we can eliminate the answer options. We can eliminate the answer options. We can eliminate the answer option. Observation of a prime number. If you observe prime number, you will get the answer. Now, if you see here, suppose if options are like this, 11 by 32, 11 by 70, 11 by 72, and for example, if it is, right, 11 by 60, if options are like this, 11 by 32, 11 by 70, 11 by 72, 11 by 60. You don't need to do all these things. Two values are there, first value and last value. Last value, it is 35. What are the prime factors of 35? 5 and 7. Denominator should have, right, a value related to 7. It is not 7. It is not 7. It is not 7. Please put a star mark. Just by looking at the question, we will get the answer. Just by looking at the question, we will get the answer. Are you all with me? Not only here, 3 values, 4 values. Any, see here. 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into 5, 1 by 29 into 31. 2 values. First value and last value. Denominator should have a value related to 31. Denominator should have value related to 31. Next. Already we solved this question. Already we solved this question. Now, if you see here, just by observation, what should be the answer contain? Which prime number? Tell me. 3 values are there. That means first 2 values, last 2 values. It is 35. Here 7 it is there. Here 11 also it is there. Denominator should contain a values related to 7 and 11. Please write down that point. Denominator should have values related to 7 and 11. 7 and 11. If 3 values are there, answer will be first 2 values write down and last 2 values write down. This is the traditional method. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 33 into 35. It is 1 by, difference is 2. 2 numerical values, 3 numerical values are becoming 2. 1 by 2 into 2. Keep an eye on the answer option and also know the shortcut way to solve. Shortcut way to solve. I hope the idea it is clear. Please write down the answer. What should be the answer contains? 3 values are there. First 2 and last 2. 57 is 3 into 19. 62 is 2 into 31. Answer should contain a prime number related to 19 and 31. Keep an eye on the answer option. We also know how to write the answer. 3 numerical values are there. Write down the first 2 values and write down the last 2 values. Last 2 values. 1 by, difference between 2 values, it is 5. 3 is becoming 2. 3 is becoming 2. Idea clear? Now, model 2, please write down. Model 1, any doubts are there? Model 1, all the key points are with respect to these key points. These key points. If you understand these 3, right, all the questions can be done using these model. Please write down, sir. These all are key points related to model 1. Model 1. Similarly, we will do model 2. Model 2. Approximation, what we discussed, can be used in any models. Model 2. Once you understand, it's easy. All these questions we did it. Now, model 2. Please write down, sir. Model 2. First point, the questions are not of the form 1 by values. First write down. It is not of the form 1 by values. It is not of the form 1 by values. It is of the form product of numbers. It is of the form product of numbers. It can be 2 numbers, it can be 3 numbers, it can be 4 numbers. It can be 4 numbers. Next one. See here. These 1 into 3, 3. 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 7, 35. It is an increasing series. Model 1, it is a decreasing series. Model 2, it is an increasing series. Please write down. Model 2, it is an increasing series. It is an increasing series. Next one. One common thing in model 1 and model 2 is, in model 1, the value in first term is repeated in the second term. Here also, the value is repeated. The value is repeated. Please write down. Value is repeated. Value is repeated in next terms. 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 Please write down method 1 and method 2. Method 1. Traditional method we will understand, then optimal method we will see. Traditional method. Traditional method. Traditional method.